Hello, my name's Judy Semugabi Bachaita, and today I'm back with our Luganda lesson 14. Essomo ery'ekkumi n'ennya mu Luganda. Today we are going to learn about ebitundu by'emibiri gyaffe, our body parts. I've mentioned and written our body parts here in Luganda and English, but with each slide we'll see some of these body parts and making a sentence of these body parts. Now in this slide we are going to see omutwe, head, omutwe, head, and ekyenyi for head. Omutwe, omutwe, that is head in English. Omutwe gunnuma, omutwe gunnuma, I have a headache. Olina omutwe omunene, olina omutwe omunene, you have a big head. Ekyenyi, ekyenyi, that is for head. Olina ekyenyi ekigazi, olina ekyenyi ekigazi, you have a wide forehead. Jangu nkumwe ekyenyi, jangu nkumwe ekyenyi. Let me trim off your forehead here, or come and I trim off your forehead here. Ennyindo yo mpanvu, ennyindo yo mpanvu. Your nose is long. Nyiza, nyiza, blow your nose. Okutu, okutu, that's ear. Amatu go tegawulira, amatu go tegawulira. Oh, it's a question mark. Amatu go tegawulira, amatu go tegawulira. Doesn't your ears listen? Amatu go magazi, amatu go magazi. Your ears are wide. Now we're gonna talk about amannyo, teeth, and single neck. Amannyo, amannyo, that is teeth in English. Amannyo go meeru nnyo, amannyo go meeru nnyo. Your teeth are too white. Amannyo go mafu, amannyo go mafu. Your teeth are decayed. Ensingo, ensingo, that's neck. Ensingo yo mpanvu, ensingo yo mpanvu. Your neck is long. Olina ensingo ennyimpi, olina ensingo ennyimpi. You have a short neck. Ekibegabega, here we are, ekibegabega and a bere. Ekibegabega, that is shoulder. Ekibegabega kinnuma, ekibegabega kinnuma. My shoulder is painful. Olina ebibegabega ebigazi, olina ebibegabega ebigazi. You have wide shoulders. Ebere, ebere, that's breast. Amabere go manene, Amabeere go manene. Your breasts are big. Tannamera mabeere. Tannamera mabeere. She has no breasts yet. Now, ekiwato, waist, engalo, fingers. Ekiwato, ekiwato. Ekiwato kyo kitono. Ekiwato kyo kitono. Your waist is small. Anyeenya ekiwato. Anyeenya ekiwato. He or she is shaking his or her waist. Engalo. Engalo, that is fingers in English. Tonsongamu ngalo yo. Tonsongamu ngalo yo. Don't point your finger at me. Funya engalo. Funya engalo. Fold your fingers. Next is ekundi, belly button, and ekisambi, thigh. Ekundi, ekundi, belly button. Ekundi lyange baliwumula. Ekundi lyange baliwumula. I had my bell button pierced. I had my bell button pierced. Ekundi, ekundi lye talibika. Ekundi lye talibika. Her bell button is never covered. Ekisambi. Ekisambi, that is thigh in English. Ekisambi kyange kinuma. Ekisambi kyange kinuma. My thigh is painful. My thigh is painful. Empale ye emusiba ebisambi. Empale ye emusiba ebisambi. His or her pants are tight around the thighs. Now we are going to talk about enviri, hair, and eliso, eye. Enviri, enviri, hair. Sanirira enviri zo. Sanirira enviri zo. Comb your hair. Leka nsaleko enviri zo. Leka nsaleko enviri zo. Let me cut off your hair. Eriso. Eriso, that is an eye. Olina eriso erimyufu. Olina eriso erimyufu. You have a red eye. Olina amaaso amalungi ennyo. Olina amaaso amalungi ennyo. You have beautiful eyes. The end of lesson 14. Enkomerero y'essomo ery'ekkumi n'ennya. Thank you for listening. Thank you for listening. Weebale kuwuliriza. That is singular. Weebale kuwuliriza. But in plural I will say mwebale kuwuliriza. Mwebale kuwuliriza. In case you missed other Luganda lessons, please you can find them on my YouTube channel, Judy's Basket. Thank you so much. Weebale nnyo. Weebale nnyo. That is singular. Mwebale nnyo. Mwebale nnyo. That's plural. Goodbye. Weeraba. Weeraba in singular. Mweraba. Mweraba in plural. Thank you so much for following and listening. Hopefully you've learned something out of this lesson. In next lesson we will finish up with our body parts. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.